Hey everyone, I just got in the mail hypnotic language cards. And you're probably wondering, Chris, why are you ordering your own cards on your own website? Well, we ran out of inventory, and of course, we had a resupply order of a few thousand decks of cards. And I was playing the role of the mystery shopper, I'll admit. I want to make sure that when I order the product, that it would arrive, and it did, and that the resupply was made properly. Not that it's mad. I wouldn't want it to be mad at me. So opening it up, I'm just opening up the cellophane here. This is the one that I have other decks in the house, obviously, but packages tough to. I don't open these too often. Here's one that we already have. So here's the new one, right there. Hypnotic language cards. And brand new deck, fresh out of the mail. And let's see if I can get every card out. Oh, look, they even give you a couple blanks. I think that's new. So there's a blank card now, not that we need it. And there we go. So we've got the cards. Those are the two jokers, which are Mike and I. And here, I think it got it upside down. So there are the cards, and they're all in order, as you can see here. Let me just turn this around. So they're all the spades, all the hearts, all the clubs, and the diamonds, and they look great. So our manufacturing and fulfillment company has passed the test. So that's awesome. Anyway, if you want to buy these, they're on our website at mikemandelhypnosis.com/cards, and they are a fun practice tool for conversational hypnosis, conversational hypnotic language. Each card, except for the jokers, of course, the jokers have some ideas on them, but they're not hypnotic language patterns. These cards all have a pattern on them along with a snippet of explanation on how to use it in everyday language, whether it be for meetings, conversations, whether it be for conversational hypnosis to begin a client session. So it doesn't really matter whether you're a hypnotist or someone who just is looking for ways to speak more congruently and smoothly and transition from idea to idea smoothly. They're a lot of fun. And of course, they come with free training videos, which is awesome. So MikeMandelHypnosis.com/cards.